welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys my pick and save haul / Kroger. A lot of you guys have Kroger stores and a lot of you guys have other affiliated stores like, I don't even know what to tell you. But if you guys want to know if one of your stores is affiliated through Kroger, what you need to do is just go to the Kroger website and just type in your area code or zip code or something like that. I think it's your zip code, not your area code, but your zip code or your address or something, and it'll tell you the closest store. So my closest store to me is called Pick and Save. And recently, about a year or so, maybe a year and a half ago, Kroger bought out Pick and Save. But from what I found out today is Kroger doesn't own Pick and Save 100%. So I went to the store earlier today. I was kidless, so I went to the store and I had everything organized. I had everything all figured out. I did take a picture of it, so you guys will see that picture at the very end of the video along with all the coupons that I used. And I get to the register and, you know, it came up to like $400 and I'm like, holy crap. I says, I don't need half of this stuff. I says, I donate it. Well, then he starts like reading every single coupon and then he gives me he scanned like 2 coupons and then he gives these back. I said, no, you guys can do, you know, because Kroger's policy from what I was told was you guys can do 5 like coupons. And he's like, no, we don't do that. I'm like, I've done it before, which I have done it before. And nobody's ever said anything. He's like, no, you can't do that. And then he's talking about something about double days. And I says, I don't want double days. I don't know what double days is. I think it's where they do double coupon, but they don't do that anymore. And he's like, no, we don't do that. I says, well, if you guys, and I had to like, I was already like almost at the time where I had to go pick up my son. I says, well, if you guys won't do these coupons, then I'm not going to buy any of this stuff because I had it all organized, all ready to go. And I says, can I talk to your store manager? And she comes by and I says, according to your guys' policy. She's like, well, where is that in the policy? And I says, well, I don't know that exact policy, but I says, from what I've heard from a ton of other people, that you guys can use 5 like coupons. She's like, no, you can only do what the coupon limit says. And I'm like, well, I've done this before and nobody's ever said anything. And she's like, well, that's what the thing is. And so she kept saying, well, where do you find this in the policy? And I says, well, I was just told what people tell me, you know. I'm not going to read every single freaking company's policy word for word, you know. So I'm like, fine, I don't want anything. I don't want anything. The whole cart was completely full. There was $400 worth of stuff in the cart. I'm like, I don't want anything, so I left. And I was kind of pissed off. I wasn't like super pissed off, but I was kind of pissed off. And I went to pick up Ben, and then Ben and I had to go run some errands today. Today I did a lot of shopping. I got a lot of stuff for free. But I'm like, you know what, I'm going to go to a different Pick and Save. Now, I'm not going to do what I just did. I'm going to, you know, follow the coupon rules. So I figured out I'm just going to buy 2, just use 2 of every coupon. And then there's some coupons that I used 4 of. So I'm like, I'm just going to do that. And then I can go back and do the same deal again if I want to do it. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at my store. Now, please keep in mind, I usually write down the breakdowns for you guys, but I got so much stuff, and these videos take me over an hour, you know, to do it, to film it, to edit it. You know, even editing sometimes could take up to 2 hours. So that's the reason why I don't do printable breakdowns for you guys, because it's just too much work for me, and I get paid for these videos. And I mean, it's easier for me just to do what I'm doing. So I am here to share with you guys what I got. I have a ton of bags. So I'm just going to start digging in and share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the Keebler Club crackers. Now these were $2.77. Then with the buy 5, you get 5 off. Comes out to $1.77. I had $1 off a 2 coupon that we got in the $7.29 Red Plum or Retail Me Not. So I ended up getting those. Now I don't remember if there's a deal on Saving Star for these, but if there is, definitely make sure you get that added to your card. My card is linked to the site, so I automatically, you know, get stuff for that. They had the Suave Men shampoo and conditioner. Now these were $1.99, and then on the sale price it was 99 cents, but we have those 2 off of 2 coupons that we got from the $7.29 Red Plum or Retail Me Not. So you guys would get these for free, absolutely free. I I bought a bunch. I bought 4 of them. You know, 2 and 2. I don't know where the other ones are in one of these bags. So here's 3 of those right there. Sorry, I'm gonna throw this all in a bag or box as I'm putting stuff away because I just got so much stuff, you guys. It's ridiculous. The lid does not want to stay open. Okay, so the next deal I got is the Suave Gold series. Now these were $3.99. The sale price was $2.49, and then if you bought 5, get 5 off. They come out to be $1.49. Now we do have those 3 off of 2 coupons that you guys can use. So these absolutely become free. So you can't go wrong with that. I ended up getting 2 of these also, or I ended up getting 4 together, you know, because you can only use 2 coupons per transaction. I got the Suave Kids. I did not write this down. You guys. I don't remember what the price was, but I know the price for after the spend, they're I think like $1.99, and then it was after you buy 5, get 5 off. They come up to be 99 cents. Now we also have those $2 off of 2 coupons from the $7.29 Retail Me Not, so these absolutely become free. So you guys definitely need, if you guys are going to do these deals, you need to do them quick because these will sell out super fast. All that stuff I'm showing you guys will sell out super fast. So if you guys are going to do these deals, definitely do it. I ended up getting the Scope toothpaste. Now these were on sale for $2.99. The spot buy 5 get 5 made them be $1.99. We have those $2 off coupons that we got from the 8.5 Retail Me Not. So these absolutely become free. So I ended up getting 2 of them because that is the coupon limit. So I got those. I ended up getting the Nature Valley snacks. Now my husband really likes these. These were $2.79, and then after the buy 5 get 5, they come out to be $1.79. I don't think these are the greatest deal, but my husband really likes them, and sometimes when you can get them pretty cheap, I go for it. So we have those 50 cents off of 2 coupons in the 8.5 Smart Source. Plus, you guys can also load this to Savings Star where you guys get 50 cents off of 2. So you guys would end up paying $3.08, and then with that 50-cent Savings Star, it comes to $2.58 or $1.29 a piece. So that's up to you guys if you guys really enjoy those. I ended up getting a bunch of different fruit snacks because, you know, it's school and my husband's is going to be working a lot, so I wanted to stock up on fruit snacks. Sorry, I'm just going to be putting a bunch of stuff back in the bag, especially the foods. So they had the Gushers and the Mott's. There's 2 different deals going on. So there's like the Mott's and then like the Turtles, and then the I got Turtles, and I also got SpongeBob. These were $2.49 on sale, made them $1.99. It was buy 5 get 5, making them 99 cents. We have those 50 cents off of 2 coupons, making them 75 cents a piece. Plus on Savings Star, there is a deal where you guys will get 50 cents off. Now there's 2 different kinds. There's like the Gushers and the Fruit by the Foot. So these end up becoming, if you guys buy 2 of them, they end up becoming, you know, 50 cents a box, which is, no, I don't know, 50, 99 cents, 75, yeah, they come out to be like 50 cents for 2 boxes, which is a pretty good deal if you guys want that. There's also another deal for the, like, the Mott's and the SpongeBob and stuff. So there's 2 different Savings Star deals if you guys want to do that kind of a deal. So I just got so much stuff, it's ridiculous. The next deal I did was this Stay Free and all the feminine products. Now, every time they do these Kroger deals, I feel like this is like a repeat. This deal is like this all the time. So the Stay Free were $2.99 after the buy 5 get 5 or buy 5 get 5 off. It comes out to be $1.99. Now we have those 3 off of 2 coupons from the 722 Smart Source. So these end up becoming just 50 cents a piece, which I think is an awesome deal. I always love to stock up on feminine products because, you know, they're super cheap and it's great to just give away and donate. I swear I get to the register and I always get like a young guy and I'm like, these are not all for me, you know, I don't need that much stuff. And then I had a guy behind me who was only buying 2 things. And I said, I'm sorry. He's like, no, more power to you. And so I was telling him what I do and how I donate stuff. And then anytime somebody asks me if I'm an extreme couponer, they always mention that show on TLC. That show was fake. I've seen several people explain about it. It was fake. They misuse coupons all the time. So I don't ever believe that. Don't ever believe that show if somebody ever asks you, because it was really fake. Okay, the Kotex were $3.79. It was $2.99, and then comes out to be $1.99 after the buy 5 get 5. But then we have those 3 off of 2 coupons from the $7.22 Retail Me Not. So these end up becoming just 50 cents a piece. Now the picture shows, when you guys look at the coupon, the picture shows like the black packaging because they want you to buy the more expensive stuff. But it says any. You guys can buy any. So I bought the cheaper ones. If you guys do buy the bigger ones, they end up becoming $1.50 instead of 50 cents. So I ended up getting 4 of each of the pads. And then I got 4 of each of the tampons. And then I'll show you guys what's next. My camera's about to die, so I'm just going to switch out my battery real quick. Okay, so I found the 4th men's swab. Now we have the Aussie. Now these were $3.49 on sale for $2.99. With the buy 5 get 5 comes out to be $1.99. We have those 2 off of 2 coupons from the 8.5 Retail Me Not. They end up becoming $1 a piece. So I end up hold on, honey. I got three of them right here. I got tons of other bags, but those are 3 right there. The next deal I did, and here is another thing of the Kotex. And then the liners are the same deal. So the pads, the liners, and the tampons are all the same deal. They come out to be 50 cents a piece. The Carefree ones. Now these are $2.99 on sale for $1.99. We have those after the buy 5 get 5. They are 3 off a 2 coupon. You guys would get them. You guys want to use that? 3 off a 2 coupon from the 7.22 Smart Source. These come out to be just 50 cents a piece. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. I think that is all that I have left in this bag, is just feminine products. So those are all feminine products. Don't run those, honey. The next deal I got is the baby wipes. Now these were $1.99. What do you want? I'm not opening that right now. These were $1.99. You guys would get, or they're on sale for 99 cents after the buy 5 get 5. There is a 50% off coupon that you guys can use from coupons.com, making them just 49 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. Now we do have regular coupons for those, but they are $1 off of 3. So not the greatest coupons, but the printable ones are a great deal. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. The Goldfish crackers, now I don't know, I think they were just buy 5 get 5, they're $1.99, but if you guys do the buy 5 get 5, you get them for 99 cents. So I didn't have any coupons for those, but I just needed a couple of filler items to make the 5 items. So I ended up getting some Goldfish crackers for Ben, because he just loves these so much. 1, you just want 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, he's like standing behind the bag. Okay, here, go take those, honey. Okay, there you go, baby. The next deal we got is the Herbal Essence. Now this is the same deal as the Aussie. These were $2.99, $1.99 for the buy 5 get 5. You guys want to use a 2 off of 2 coupon from the 8.5 Retail Me Not. These come out to be just 99 cents or $1 a piece. Can you just hold on 1 second, honey? So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Let me get this big giant bag out of here. So I got more of the baby wipes. I got more Goldfish. I got more Carefree, and Kotex, and more Kotex, or Carefree. And then I got another bag. This is the last and final bag for you guys. So I got more of the Stay Free because I used 2 of each coupon. So I got 4 products per coupon. Here is the Aussie again. Another Kids. Another Suave Gold. Now here's the deal. These were just $1.99 with the buy 5 get 5. They come out to be 99 cents. Now we do have those dollar off coupons that you guys can use in the $7.29 retail may not. So these absolutely become for free. So you guys can do this deal either way. I think you guys can also do the 3 off of 2 coupon for this. I don't know if they do overage, but you guys could do that. But I thought I'm just gonna get more bang for my buck. So again, I could only use 2 of those coupons, so I only got 2. But yeah. So that was my haul. I just filled the whole box full of shampoo, and I filled the whole box of feminine products. So yeah, I think I got 65 items, I think, or 50. I can't remember what I truly got, but I'll end up getting at least $1 or $1.50 back from Saving Star. It'll automatically do that. But my total before coupons and before they scanned my card just came up to $1.87.59. After coupons and everything, it came to $31 and something cents. $31 for like 60 items, I think, is what I got. I think that is an awesome deal. So if you guys have a, Pick and Save or Kroger or whoever else is affiliated through that, make sure you guys do these deals, because there's some deals that you do not want to pass up. And make sure you do some of those deals fast, because some of those deals will go by like that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so I know you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.